Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working for your SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. The first one what we should do is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds will disconnected from your phone, and then you just open the charging case and it will reconnect your phone. Now check. You may fix this problem with this method, but if it didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, again put your earbuds to the charging case and now do not close the lid. On the front side we have connectional button. Right here you need to press and hold on it until this LED light flashed white 2 times. Firstly it entered operating mode, as I have right now, don't worry, it's okay. Now we keep holding. 1 and 2. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and let's go to the settings and then Bluetooth for connected devices. If right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device after that, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to operating mode automatically. So now we can see it at the device list. Tap on it and we just reconnect it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!